Hey guys, Jack's your Frail Mechanic. We're going to put on a remote start on this 2019 Ford Fiesta. It's a Starter X. If you want one for yourself, link down below. Stick with us. Let's do a quick review, see what's in the box. Open it up. Warning sticker, put that on your car. It's like some helpful instructions. Of course, your immobilizer, some wiring harnesses, and comes with a tool. Pretty handy for getting your trim off. Some zip ties. It didn't come with the key. You'll need that. You need both sets of keys to install this kit. But it looks like it comes with everything you need. All I got to do is pop the bottom of the dash loose. So we're going to need to rotate the steering wheel to the side to get to this bolt, and then we'll have to do it again. Remove this one, and then we'll need to get back underneath here to remove these lower screws out of here. And these are going to be the Torx bit, and going to be a T25 is the size for that. If you're lucky, you can get your screw gun in there and get them out. So now we got the bottom panel out of the way. We can come back around here and find the back of our ignition switch. We want to get our corresponding wiring harness, and then we'll pull the wiring switch, ignition wiring, this wiring harness right here. We'll pull that out, swap it out. Make sure you hear the click. Install this one back. Nice click. We'll look for this replacement. I'm guessing this one. Nice click. Nice click. Alright, next thing we got to do is connect our other T-harness to our computer data port. Data link port. I'm not sure what you call it. But it's found up underneath here. Right there. And we'll plug this end into that one, and then we need to find the appropriate end, the white connector. So we'll take a little closer look. You'll see that it's mounted with a couple of, look like 8mm screws. And so it comes with these two adapters. Now, the two ends that plug into the white end are the same. What we want to find is the mounting. That's not it. This one bolts on, so this is what we'll need. So we'll remove that one and bolt this in place of it after we attach it to our harness. Make sure. These turn out to be 7mm. So let me go ahead and connect this one. Get that tightened up. We can zip tie this stuff out of the way. That way it doesn't get in your way. And then we need to get our immobilizer or no start box. I'm not sure what you call it. We'll plug this into it, and then we'll have our other wires to connect into it. So we'll want to run these down inside. So apparently we got to mash and hold the button in. Harness in. The lights are alternating back and forth. So I let go on the red, and it's staying red. So that's where it should be. I guess now we plug in the other wires.
The red one.
This is where we need 2 keys. Key number 1, put in ignition. Turn to the on run position, wait 3 seconds. Yellow should illuminate. Turn it off, remove the key. Insert key number 2. Turn it in, turn it on. Wait 3 seconds. The red LED is supposed to flash briefly. I don't know if it did or not. Well, I'm going to back up this video and now that we've got it programmed, next thing to do is just check the operation. You're going to do that with either key. You're going to start with the lock, unlock, then lock, lock, unlock, lock. It should turn on, and then 2 seconds it'll start. Yeah, pretty handy in the wintertime. Now how do you turn it off? Well, you want to get in the vehicle, and if you press the brake pedal, it'll die right away. Or you can put the key in the ignition, turn it to the on position before you touch the brake pedal if you want to keep it running. So now the only thing left to do is to tidy things up with the provided zip ties underneath, make the harness look pretty good, button up our panels with our T25 Torx bits, and we're good to go. If you'd like to have one for yourself, again, I got a link down below. Thanks again for watching.